My name's Kim. I chose the MedLab program because I really wanted a career that was very hands-on, investigative. I really like solving puzzles, so the lab position really seemed like a great way to get started with that. I did research on a few different colleges in my area, a few different programs. I reached out to all of them. Anderson was the college that got back to me almost instantly. We really formed a connection. Within a couple days, I had an interview about whether or not I would be best suited for the program. And then within a day after that, I had an appointment with financial aid to discuss paying for the program. Meanwhile, other colleges hadn't even contacted me yet. Currently, we are studying microbiology, learning about inoculating bacteria from different sources in patients and growing that bacteria in plates, incubating it, staining, trying to identify what type of bacteria it is. It's really interesting, and what I like most about it is how hands-on it is. So in theory, sitting in a classroom, a lot of the times it's hard to visualize what exactly you're going to be doing in the field, whereas with this, we talk about it in class first, and then we go and experience it in the lab, so we know exactly what we're doing. We learn everything about the lab, safety issues we can run into, and how to properly be prepared for that. Then we move on to more specifics, hematology, microbiology, urinalysis, histology and cytology, so it's very comprehensive. Our instructor's name is Carla. She has a wealth of knowledge. She has over 10 years experience working in the lab, and she really brings that to the classroom. She's always willing to answer whatever crazy questions we have, extremely dedicated to us. She's really made a comfortable family-like environment within the classroom where we can all study and work together, and she's just been incredibly supportive. Any advice I have for anyone who wants to take this program is just to reach out. The second you're in contact with the staff, any questions or concerns that you might have, they instantly get answered. The more information you have about the program, the more likely you'll know if it's a fit for you. And honestly, anybody can do this. The instructors make it incredibly easy and a fun challenge to get through. So just take your first step and reach out.